So to build your classes, again, I got 3 of them here. You go to manage, and I'm pretty sure it's students add drop, and from here you should be able to type student names and click to enroll them. And you'll do that for all of them, and they should have access through the KD Cloud. And once you go back to the main menu here, what I assign to students, I click on reports, not reports, you'll click on the logo, TELPAS Readiness, speaking, listening. So in order for students to do these quizzes, you have to unlock them here. And it's the same thing for listening.